Hi everyone. Dinner tonight is pepperoni pizza chicken. What we need for pepperoni pizza chicken: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I won't be using all of those. Salt for sprinkling, black pepper for sprinkling, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 cup pizza sauce, 3/4 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, 16 slices of pepperoni, and dried oregano for sprinkling. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 375. Take a baking sheet and spray it with cooking spray. You want to take your chicken breasts and lay them on the greased baking sheet. And sprinkle them with salt and pepper. On both sides. Take a shallow dish, dump in your 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs and your 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and mix it together. Then take your chicken breast and put it in that. And make sure the breadcrumbs are on it on both sides. And these are big chicken breasts, so I may need to get more of the coating mix. And put them in a 375-degree oven for 15 minutes. 15 minutes are up and are starting to brown, but it is not done yet. The next step is to add the pizza sauce. So we'll put the pizza sauce evenly on each chicken breast. Then take our pepperoni and put the pepperoni 4 pieces on each breast. Then take our oregano and sprinkle a little bit on each chicken breast. And then top it up with mozzarella cheese. I almost forgot this step. You actually put the cheese down and then the oregano. But I'm a little backwards. Then put your chicken back in the 375-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes or until it is done, no longer pink, and 165 degrees in the center. All right, the chicken is out of the oven. The cheese is nice and brown. I did cook it total 45 minutes. You may have to adjust that depending on the size of your breasts. Also, because I screwed up the topping, I'll give you the order that they go on. First is the pizza sauce, then you put the mozzarella cheese on, then you put the pepperoni on, and then you sprinkle it with oregano. I'll dish this up and let my husband do a taste test. So here is the pepperoni pizza chicken, and rounding out the meal is maple bourbon bacon salad.
What is this?
Pepperoni pizza chicken.
Oh, I see the pepperonis there. That's good. A little, Why didn't you get a pepperoni on the first bite? This is really good. It's nice and crispy, crunchy. I like this a lot.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.